We can of course add other samples in the user memory, and that's what we'll see in this example. We'll start from the PC. Let's suppose we have already some samples of Darbuka and we want to add them to the DTX. We first save all the waves on a USB drive. All the waves must have these specifications: 16-bit, 44,000 Hz, stereo or mono. Plug the USB onto the DTX, then press the Waves button. Go to the third page, Job, then the first page, Import All, then press Enter. After we are done, all the waves are transferred to the DTX memory. We can listen to each single wave just by pressing the Wave button. The next step is to program a new drum kit with these samples of Darbuka. Go to User Kit page, pick an empty place. In the MTouch12, we can create a new user kit and give it a specific name, like Darbuka. We can program the pads according to what we want and the way we play, using the appropriate wave selection. For example, Pad 8, Doom Voice. Press the Pad 8, then Voice, Layer A. We slide down to the wave selection, where we'll find the samples of Darbuka classified by numbers. We pick the appropriate wave, and we can try at the same time on the DTX. We do the same things with all the other pads, and we try it on the DTX. We adjust the sound value and the effects. Then we press the Save button on the iPad. And finally, we press the Store button on the DTX. We can easily change the way of playing on the DTX from stick, meaning playing with the sticks, to hands or fingers, so we can play with our hands. We press at the same time both button Utility and Shift, then we select Finger. Now we try. We can program the DTX to trigger a music track saved on the iPad memory. We choose pad, for example pad 1, we click on the iPad, and we open the table by clicking on this tag. We choose Play App Audio File, then we go to the file directory in the Dropbox, in the iCloud Drive, or in the music library. We pick the file, then we can note that it appears in the pad name. Now by pressing the pad on the DTX, we can start the music from the iPad. Since the audio comes from the iPad, it must be connected to a sound amplifier via the aux-in on the DTX or separately. Now we have the iPad memory as an additional memory for music or for the audio loops. First example. Second example, we can program audio loop on the pad and put the loop button on the on position to repeat continuously. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in another video.